Hi friends, welcome to this channel. And in today's video clip, I will show you and tell you how you can fix the situation if your iCloud email is not receiving emails. Please subscribe to our channel, put your likes, and also write your comments after watching this video. So friends, let's get to our topic. And first of all, please open your phone settings on your iPhone. Next, you need to log in to your Apple ID and then click on iCloud, and then iCloud Mail. And at this point, you'll need to make sure that you have this feature, the very first one, active. If you have it turned off, then you need to activate it. Once you've done that, go back to the settings. Scroll down to the bottom. Find Mail. Then you'll need to select Accounts and then get the new data. Here, you will have to activate the topmost function. And after that, you will start receiving emails on your iCloud email again. Friends, this is the simple way you can fix your iCloud email in the situation if you don't realize you are getting emails on it. I really hope this video has helped you. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, put your likes, be sure to write your comments, and see you soon.